When you open the box, you should have 2 fixed casters, 2 swivel casters, 32 washers, 16 bolts, and 16 nuts. To begin, turn the cart on its side. This will make it easier to attach the casters. Each caster requires 8 washers, 4 bolts, and 4 nuts. When attaching each caster, place a washer on both sides of the channel before securing the bolt and nut. We recommend inserting the bolts in a diagonal pattern, one on top and one on the bottom, to help keep the caster even and make installation easier. Next, use a socket wrench and an adjustable or combination wrench to tighten all nuts and bolts securely. When installing the fixed casters, make sure they are positioned horizontally so they roll in the correct direction once installed. After all casters are securely attached, turn the cart upright and your cart is ready for use.